This is a 5-in-1 cleaner. It's a Cool Care by Andis. It's a coolant, disinfectant, lubricant, cleaner, and rust preventive. And as soon as I spray that, it disinfects on contact.
Very nice.
And that's what I use for tools like this. For combs, I just get all the hair off and put it right in the barber side, which can also kill all the germs. I'll run them and spray. Again, I'll clean all the hair off. And run and spray. And these usually you'd want to stay sitting in there for 5-10 minutes or so for them to completely disinfect. So why I'll have a couple of different combs and I'll go through them, every other person, so they can ensure that they do get clean implements and tools, and as well as clippers, and that's when the neck strip comes into play as well for a sanitary reason, so the cape doesn't touch one's neck.